All right, and we're now entering day 11 of the government shutdown. Lawmakers are still deadlocked over a federal spending bill, but negotiations remain stalled with both sides still trading blame overnight.
Republicans have the House, the Senate, and the presidency. They decided to shut the government down.
Shame on the Democrats for doing this to the American people.
Now, Friday, the Trump administration announced, quote, reductions in the federal workforce. CBS News reports multiple agencies, including Treasury, Education, and Homeland Security, have received notices of staff reduction. As no deal was reached Friday, workers across the nation are preparing for yet another work week with the federal funding freeze in place. And some Central Georgians say they're already seeing and feeling the strain.
For a lot of people, this is new for them, and so we want to help them. We want to help them walk through the process and just give them an opportunity, to kind of get back on their feet in the meantime while we wait.
Robbins Financial Credit Union serves almost 300,000 people here in Central Georgia, and many are federal workers. April Mouton-Bill is vice president for Robbins Financial. She says they've already had members reach out to them for help, and they have 3 solutions: a paycheck replacement program, a furlough loan, and a skip-a-pay program.
We really want people to know is if you have challenges or if you just need some support, they can reach out directly to the credit union, and we will work with them on a case-by-case basis.
Now, Bill says the longer the shutdown lasts, the more it'll affect people who aren't federal workers. So in the meantime, they are staying tuned in to what the community needs and will adjust their plans as necessary. Now, alongside the financial strain, some Central Georgia families are struggling to afford basic needs and feed their families. One mother says she's worried that benefits from the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, better known as SNAP, and the Special Supplemental Nutrition Program for Women, Infants, and Children, known as WIC, could be cut off soon. Tequila Reed is a mother of 5 and was diagnosed with breast cancer back in January. Reed says she can no longer work because her illness and has no other income. This year, Reed says she has gone months without SNAP benefits and struggled to get by, but WIC has helped her maintain a balanced diet, which is critical for her health. She was approved for food stamps this month, but now worries the shutdown will stop that help.
There have been days that the WIC being present was all I had to rely on until some funds came through. I need that. Currently, right now, the food stamps, with surgery coming up, with having to move, I need that. And if that gets cut, that affects my family.
Now, Reed says she must move out of her home because she can no longer afford it and has surgery Monday. Michael Hokinson of the North Central Health District sent us a statement saying their programs are, quote, currently functioning normally. Hokinson went on to say DPH leaders are closely monitoring the situation and are assessing other funding sources for programs that could be potentially affected by the shutdown. The Trump administration has also delivered $300 million in unspent tariff revenue to the Department of Agriculture to help keep food programs afloat during the shutdown.